welcome back, guys. A little update from last week. It's been a crazy week here. Circular planters are starting to do much better. Some peas, some pole beans. This one has cucumbers in it as well. We're being supervised. This one has the spaghetti squash and pole beans and tomato, just like the other one, peas, nasturtiums. Just waiting. Get a ton of our supplies sitting here. Remember to wear gloves. Don't know what you're gonna find. Petunia is still going well. Strawberries. Before we get over here, that's the before picture when we just took out the dog run before we had trees removed. That's going to be the Hugo mound. Still a work in progress, but I have the supplies. Herb bed. We have little babies starting to shoot up in there. Tomatoes are still doing well. Remember that old gate from the first video? Yeah, it's so much better. More herbs. More babies starting to pop up this week than were last week. Remember the big brush pile? Gone. Big shout out to NOCO Removal for that, and also to Casey and the On Point team here in northern Colorado for the back fence and the new gate area. They do amazing work. I'll go ahead and pop their website down in the description, and for the boys who came out and did the brush removal, NOCO Removal, you can find them on Facebook. Come back over here. My zucchinis are starting to flower up nicely. The herb garden has more growth. We come over here. Remember, kids, put your mint in pots, because that's why it's just spreading all over that pot. My honeyberry in there. Well, one of my honeyberries. Got some new growth happening up top. And the other honeyberry is still looking good. And we're gonna go check on the blueberries, see if we can get ourselves a little snack. And it looks like we are snacking today. At least a little bit. God, look at the size of those. Come over here. Oh yeah. Every berry I have picked off of these bushes has been the sweetest, best blueberry I've ever tasted. I swear. I feel like a rabid little gremlin. But I did just get off work and get home, so snack. Get my berries. Give me berries. It's a nice little snack there. Come check on the lilac. He's still doing well. The gooseberry is starting to send off runners and root in other areas and spread, so I guess he's happy. Get a little brassica bed over here. This is the one that's all spaced nicely and such, with each one in a different container. Woo! All labeled. So see how that works out. I haven't had much luck with brassicas just because it's so damn hot here. And they really don't like it. My planting time is probably off, so we'll see. Got peppers. I planted some beans over here. this week. My eggplant's still going well. More peppers. I've got little baby peppers kicking out. I am just an amateur at this, so I don't know if I need to pick the first ones early or not, but just gonna let them go. Let's see what happens. I work overnights. Not a lot of time to do a lot of stuff. Over here, I know it's late, but they're cherry tomato. They're bushes, so they don't get that big, so maybe there's a prayer. Who knows? Who knows? Got some more beans and some greens in here. And you saw this from last week. Remember, it was still all kind of yikes. It's a lot better now. This bed, I just kind of threw in brassica seeds and wished them the best of luck. So we're going to see what happens. Maybe I'll get something. Maybe I won't. Now this area, if you remember it from the first video, had all that crap there. Now it's cleared. Rhubarb is over there and happy. I've got a clematis. I've got peas in here at the bottom of this fence, which ironically came out of the dog run that we tore down. What did we say in the 90s? Reduce, reuse, recycle? I'm going to come back up to the back of the house here. I've invested in a wheelbarrow. I decided I needed it. So now I have my little garden cart and a wheelbarrow. Starting to feel like a farmer over here. And we're being watched. That says Meowdius. That's Lucifer Meownic Star. Still a lot of work to do, guys, but we're getting there ever so slowly. Eventually it'll be done, and then I'll just have to go on to garden progress videos, I guess. I don't know. But we'll see you next week for the next progress video. Remember to like and subscribe for the updates. Take care. Bye!